Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create this animation in Blender. So let's get started. First let's hit Shift A and add a Suzanne. Now press Ctrl 3 to subdivide it and shade smooth. Add a grease pencil stroke and move it down like this, for example. With the stroke selected, go to the modifiers and select the line art modifier. Set this to Object and select Suzanne. Now set the layer to Lines and the material to Black. As you can see, we can't see anything. That's because we need to add a camera. So hit Shift A and add a camera, Ctrl Alt 0, and now we can see it. I'm going to move it down like this and move it on the local Z axis by pressing G, Z, Z. I ended up positioning it like this. Now select the stroke again and add a build modifier. Set the frames to whatever end frame you want. I'm going to set the end frame here to 100. Now let's save. Now let's save if you haven't already. Select Suzanne and go to Shading and Rendered View. I'm going to switch this to Eevee. You can find the link to the HDR that I'm using in the description. Go to the render properties and go to film and make it transparent. Now go to color management and set the look to very high contrast. Now click on new, and all that I'm going to do here is to increase the metallic to 1. Go to Compositing and enable use nodes. Add an alpha overnode. Put it here and let's plug the image into this one down here and make this blue. Let's save again, and now if we press F12 we've got something like this. With Suzanne selected, go to the modifiers and set this to 3 here. Go to the output properties and let's select an output folder. I'm going to create a new folder here and call it rendered images. And now let's select it, and I'm also going to call the rendered images. And if I put an underscore after the name, Blender is going to automatically assign numbers to the frames. So let's click on accept and let's set this to JPEG and set the quality to 100%. Let's save again and go to render and render animation. Once it's done rendering, close this window and go to video editing. Make sure you are on frame 1 and hover over the file location and press Ctrl C. Now set the file format to FFmpeg video and the encoding container to MPEG-4. Set the output quality to high quality and go here and press Shift A, image sequence. Now either paste in the location minus the name of the images here, or as you can see I'm already in this folder here where I have them. Press A and enter. Now go to frame 100 and let's set the end here to 200. Hit Shift A again and image sequence, and now go to sort and sort by modified date. Press A again and enter. And let's move this over by 1 frame. Now let's hit Shift A again, image sequence, and go to sort and sort by name again. I'm doing this because for some reason Blender doesn't automatically sort by name again next time I'm creating something new. So now click on cancel and save again. Go to render and render animation. I also want to let you know that you can get the file on Gumroad for $1 through the link in the description. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please let me know what to shoot next, and I'll see you next time.